it is smarter to pause a PPC campaign instead of letting it run. In what situation would you do that? Basically, what you're asking is, when should you let an Amazon PPC campaign gather more data or not? The answer to that depends on the type of campaign that you're creating. So there are two types of campaigns: discovery campaigns that are broad match, phrase match, category targeting, broad model 5, or even auto campaigns. Those type of campaigns are going to need way more clicks in order to bring an outcome. For example, you might be needing 20 clicks in order to produce one sale. Those are the discovery campaigns. Ranking campaigns are the campaign for inexact match. Meaning, if someone is going to look for pink body mist, coconut cream, and that is the keyword that you're targeting, they are going product, hence it's going to be an exact match of whatever they were looking for. For that, it might be enough even 10 clicks, or 10 times for someone to click within this product, and maybe at the 10th time, someone is going to purchase it. Why am I starting with that? Because most of the time what I'm seeing is that many newbie advertisers or even intermediate advertisers who don't understand the concept between these two are going to think that either they are going to let a campaign run for too long, so they are going to generate a lot of data, meaningful, like that is, it's not relevant to the product that they are selling, and it's just going to add up lots of clicks, or they are not going to let the campaign breathe. Why is this important? If you understand that there's a discovery type of campaign and an exact match campaign, then you're going to treat them differently. For the discovery campaign, maybe you might be needing 40, 60, 80 clicks even to get data. For an exact match, it might be 5 clicks, 10 clicks, or even 15 clicks. It's still a good conversion for your product. So once that you get meaningful data, then you're going to decide, oh, what should I do next? Usually what we're doing at ScaleWave is we are gathering a lot of information before we are taking the next decision. By a lot of information, I mean meaningful information. So if I know that right now it takes me 10 clicks, so 10 times someone is going to click within an exact match campaign for this exact keyword, pink body mist coconut cream, and the 10th person is going to convert for it, then I know for sure that that is a campaign that has a 10% conversion. If it's going to take 15 clicks, someone is going to click on it, and the 15th person is going to convert, then it's going to be an even lower conversion, around 8% or 8.5% conversion. If it takes them 20 times to click, it means that the conversion is even lower. So at least I have a point of reference to know exactly, is this going to be too expensive for me? So should I lower my bids? I'm getting a lot of clicks. This is exactly the product I'm selling. It's not working. Then I would be looking into, all right, is this something off with my listing, or is it not clear for whoever is looking for my exact product that they are not purchasing?